Here I go again with my cleaning videos. I love watching those videos. It gives me motivation to clean my house for some reason. So that's the reason I like doing this kind of videos. I have chickens now and they laid already 6 eggs. Can't wait to eat those eggs. I haven't had a chance to clean because on Sunday I cooked for my church and then I washed all those dishes and I was really tired. And then on Monday, my son had his military introduction ceremony. So basically, I was busy all day because after work, I went to his ceremony. And on Cinco de Mayo, I had to do all these flowers for my coworkers. So I've been a busy lady. What can I say?
I'm getting changes if you need. How do I change this?
Love having a clean kitchen, so I had to do a cleaning dance.